Yeah, and I mean, just to finish the thought from before, before I got sidetracked there for a detour, you know, I do think there's this alignment where, I mean, we're building it because we want the thing to exist and we want to not get cut off from some closed model, right? And we're not doing this because we're kind of altruistic people, even though I think that this is going to be helpful for the ecosystem, and we're doing it because we think that this is going to make the thing that we're building the best by kind of having a robust ecosystem
Well,
around
look how many people contributed to PyTorch ecosystem.
Yeah, totally.
Mountains of engineering.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I mean,
NVIDIA alone, we probably have a couple of hundred people just dedicated to making PyTorch better and scalable and more performant and so on and so forth.
Yeah, and it's also just when something becomes something of an industry standard, other folks do work around it, right? So like all of the silicon and the systems will end up being optimized to run this thing really well, which will benefit everyone, but it will also work well with the system that we're building. And that's, I think, just one example of how this ends up being just being really effective. So yeah, I mean, I think that the open source strategy is going to be
yeah, it's